morning guys. So I just woke up और आज we're going for a Christmas photo shoot. So I'm pretty excited. अभी सुबह हो रही है and it's so cold today. बाहर snowfall हुई है. So I'm just preparing my breakfast and I'm gonna work. I have taken off at 2:30. Yeah, and then I'm gonna dress up and then we're gonna go for the photo shoot. I'm pretty excited. मैंने dresses design करके, I mean like dresses सोच के रखी है कि what I wanna wear. But the thing is that I saw a lot of people getting like casual photo shoots done. I could have done that too, like PJs or something, but I thought let's just keep it semi-formal. So I've like decided on one theme as like black. So me and Samir both are wearing black, and the other one we're wearing beige or nude colors, so that we can have like both types of photos. And the guy that we booked has his studio in Brampton, so वहाँ तक जाने में भी हमें around 1 घंटा लगेगा. So yeah, I'm finishing work at 2:30 or 3 and then dressing up. और हमारा appointment है for 4 o'clock I think. Yeah. So I'm just preparing my breakfast. So. Okay, my bagels are here. So I'm just gonna put some cream cheese on them. So I'm having my bagels, toasted bagels and cream cheese for breakfast. And of course, chai.
I'm pouring gasoline on the fire started in me. No one can cancel me. I'm swaying along with the trees. The sun is falling and the water is starting to freeze. That's why I close my eyes.
Finally guys, काम खत्म हो गया. Please don't look around the mess here. I know I need to clean it. लेकिन मुझे बिल्कुल भी time नहीं मिल रहा है, but I'm gonna do it for sure. So now let's get dressed. Summer is here too. So now let's get dressed and see you in the car and go for the photo shoot. हमारा appointment था for 4. अभी 3:35 हो रहा है. We're reaching around 4:40, but I've called him and informed that he's like okay with it. And आज traffic भी इतना है because snow हुई है. हंस लो, हंस लो, हंस लो.
देखते हैं कैसा होता है. Let's see.
Okay. Like it's been a while. I don't even remember हमने last time कब photo shoot किया था. बहुत time हो गया. And makeup थोड़ा heavy लग रहा है I think, लेकिन light से सही नहीं लग रहा है. और देखते हैं कैसा रहता है. And then we'll update you guys.
क्या है? एक तो लेट इतना करती हो तुम. फिर
ऊपर से तंग करती हो.
दिमाग खाती हो. वो तो अच्छा बंदा है जो तुमको बोल दे रहा है कि हाँ अभी भी आ जाओ.
तुम होता
तो बोलता जा भाई घर वापस. मैं बोलता आपको मैं जानता ही नहीं हूँ.
I'm crossing the street. I keep a stack of letters from all my closest friends, so I know they're real. They really.
So this is like a typical classic pose.
Let's start with it.
Yeah, let's start with that. That will also help me to adjust your this. Okay, yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, so do something.
Okay, let me just move this.
I'm pouring gasoline on the fire started in me. No one can cancel me. I'm swaying along with the trees. The sun is falling and the water is starting to freeze. That's why I close my eyes when
मैं pose दिखाती हूँ.
क्या करोगी तुम? क्या तुमसे साथ रख दो?
कुछ भी कर लो लेकिन बाल खराब मत करो.
वो पता ही नकली.
I'm crossing the street. I keep a stack of letters from all my closest friends.
Let's do like 2-3 more and
They really love me. They like to play pretend. Summer hasn't started, but it feels like it's the end. 'Cause I think ahead, I like to plan. So I'm never in suspense. I'm pouring gasoline on the fire started in me. No one can cancel me. I'm swaying along with the trees.
इसने ऐसे ऐसे पकड़ लो, एक्टिंग कर लो जल्दी. अच्छा चलो 1 2 3 गो. नीचे से लोग आ जाएंगे.
Yeah.
नीचे लोग नहीं.
If you can you hold her for 1 second and you have to fold your legs.
Legs, yeah.
Okay. Just I'll take you.
Okay.
1 2 3 lift and fold. Okay.
So heavy.
It's good.